Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious crab fritters. To begin, gather your key ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of fresh, lump crab meat for that amazing flavor. For your dry mix, have 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder ready. And for the wet components, grab 1 large egg and 1/4 cup of milk. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create that perfect fritter batter. First, gently combine your dry ingredients in a spacious bowl, ensuring they are well mixed. In a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients until they are smooth and fully incorporated. Slowly add the wet mixture to the dry, stirring just until combined overmixing is a no-no. Finally, carefully fold in your 8 ounces of crab meat, being gentle to keep those lovely lumps intact. It's time to fry these beauties. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a sturdy, heavy-bottomed pan to a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a spoon, carefully drop about 2 tablespoons of batter for each fritter into the hot oil. Fry them for approximately 2 to 3 minutes on each side, until they're beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Remember not to overcrowd the pan. Work in small batches for the best results. Once your crab fritters are perfectly golden, it's time to enjoy them. Serve them warm right away to savor their incredible taste and texture. For an extra burst of flavor, pair them with a zesty dipping sauce, perhaps a homemade lemon aioli or a spicy remoulade. A sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or chives adds a lovely touch of color and freshness. These delightful fritters are fantastic as an appetizer or a light, satisfying main course.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.